Hey guys, welcome to another very quick episode of Unplugged TV Australia. Beautiful weather on Mother's Day, and the reason I'm chatting on my mobile phone this morning is I've just been contacted by Evolution Australia. I'm very excited to announce we have a winner. We have a winner, an official winner for the Outlander PHEV Box, sponsored by Evolution Australia in Melbourne, Australia. It is Mother's Day, and I myself and my wife, we are going to Brisbane to see the boys and having a little bit of celebration there and a barbecue and stuff like this. That's what you do in Australia. So I will have a phone call with Russell tonight, and we will both announce the winner. If the winner is comfortable with to be announced on the channel, we will announce the winner together. This will be tonight in about 7 or 8 hours, I think. 7 or 8 hours we will announce the winner on this channel here. So stay tuned. Let me tell you, I know I shouldn't spoil it, but the winner, okay, the winner is I'm not saying anything else. I just want to give you a little bit of a hint. Okay. We'll see us later in the next video. Stay tuned. You have a good Mother's Day. See you then. Bye.